Okay, same situation. We got a runner on second base, nobody out. Bunt defense would be 1-3-5, 1-3-8, etc. The 1 stands for the pitcher. Should be ready for that bunt on the third base side. First baseman again should be up. Infield cut of the dirt. Third baseman needs to be up as well in case that ball is bunted hard. In this situation, the ball will be bunted to the first baseman. He fields it, throws to the second baseman who is covering first. You can see the second baseman in this situation threw the ball across the diamond. That's not something we would normally do unless he took a real hard long turn. Wide turn to third base, the runner. We do have that left fielder should be backing up any throw to third base. So standard defense, make sure we get an out. Right fielder is backing the situation up to first as normal. Catcher, again, is the captain leading the play. The situation may call, especially if there's first and second at the runners and nobody out. The ball gets bunted in the air or hard right at our pitcher. And we can throw to the third baseman for the force out. We don't want to take chances. We want to make sure we get outs.